Here is a question most commercial property owners have never been asked directly. Do you own your building? If you do, there is a tax strategy that may significantly improve your cash flow, and there is a better than average chance no one has ever walked you through it clearly. Hi, I'm Frank Lehane, author of From Broke to Six Figures, Savers, Wealth Advocate, and Educator. I help business owners, successful individuals, and families better understand their financial opportunities so they can protect, grow, and keep more of what they've worked hard to earn. Today, I want to talk about something called cost segregation. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me say this in plain English. When you own a commercial building, the tax code requires that you write it off slowly, typically over 39 years. That is a long time to wait. But here's what many property owners don't know. Not every part of a building is the same. Certain components, things like flooring, lighting, cabinetry, parking lot features, and interior build-out items, may qualify to be written off on a much shorter timeline. Not 39 years. In some cases, 5 years, 7 years, 15 years. And that matters, because when deductions happen sooner, real cash flow improves sooner. For many business building owners, this kind of review has resulted in $50,000 to $250,000 or more in improved cash flow in the first year alone. Now, I am not saying that number applies to every situation. What I am saying is that if you own commercial property and no one has ever examined it this way, you may be sitting on value that has never been properly surfaced. And that is worth knowing. There is also a newer reason to pay attention right now. Through legislation signed into law in July of 2025, 100% bonus depreciation was restored for qualifying building improvements made between 2023 and 2028. That is a meaningful window. If you have put money into your building during those years, or you plan to, this is exactly the kind of question worth asking. Not because I said so, but because the numbers may tell a compelling story once someone actually runs them. And most people simply never have. So here's the takeaway. If you own commercial property and the subject of cost segregation has never come up in a specific focused conversation, consider this your invitation to look more carefully. The building may already be working for you. The question is whether it is working as hard as it could be. If this kind of content is helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you will be notified when the next video comes out. And if you know someone who could benefit from this, share this video with them, because a little more clarity always goes a long way.